There's my little loop starter shape. A loop end kind of ending shape, which is really a starter shape because this is a continuous line. And I have to bump out that shape to 45 degrees so that I can touch the first feather to it. You can use any type of feather. Use heirloom, use traditional, use the chandelier feather. This just happens to be the hook mount feathers. Now this is a single line spine, and I'm staying on one side of the spine, and I'm going to come around this tight corner. I didn't mark any reference lines in there, but just keep extending the arc till you hit something. Constantly curving, constantly round. Extend it till you hit something. Extend it till you hit something. And the last one here. I can sneak right around. Now I've turned it into a ribbon, and I'm back where I started again. So now these feathers are all going to be going the same direction. If I wanted to, I could have gone to the pivot point of the first loop that I did and worked my way back. But I felt this needed some embellishment, so I turned it into a ribbon, and you can too. So think about what you could do. Now, if you're going to turn it into a ribbon or make a ribbon initially, fill it first, then go back. Because like I said, you'll never find it if you don't. And here it is. Make sure you define your shape. Last one. Ending shape. Arc over front. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video from Sally Terry Designs.